sweeping leg, or the other one. Let's do sweeping leg. Let's break it down. So let's start, actually, put your hands like so. Now take your left hand and bring it in. So here's the count. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm actually also moving my hands forward and back. Don't worry about that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. Now, everyone face forward. Just with the feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's break this down a little bit more. Okay, so first of all, put your weight on your right foot. 1. Shift your weight to your left foot. 2. Now I'm going to shift my weight back to my back leg. 3. Weight goes to the left foot. Right foot steps 1. Weight goes to the right foot. Left foot rotates 2. Weight goes to the right foot. 3. Weight shift 1. Weight shift 2. Weight shift 3. Weight shift 1. Weight shift 2. Weight shift 3. If you shift your weight first, the stepping becomes easy because you're not doing anything with the foot that's moving has nothing going on. And you can shift your weight by just twisting your hip. But you can also lean your body to do the same thing. Okay, now let's go ahead and chew gum while we're walking. You ready? Take your hands. The left hand comes in. And we're 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did anyone chew bubble gum while walking there? So if you shift your weight, really the secret is learning how to shift your weight. Because if you've got your weight on one foot, you can do whatever with the other foot. And so, you can shift your weight by moving your body, or you can shift your weight by twisting your hip. Either way. It takes a while to get used to doing the hips. But if you practice slowly shifting your body over time, your body's going to figure out how to move the hips. So really, you work on the macro intention, and your body will figure out how to do it with what you can do. And also over time, as you loosen your body up more, your body's going to figure out new ways of doing stuff. So whatever you're doing today is not going to be the same thing you're doing in 6 months, and the next 6 months, and so on. The body is going to adjust to what you're doing, and as it adjusts, it has to change how it does things. That's just natural stuff. All right, let's see. Okay, here we go. Wait, y'all want to do what? Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so now,